Everett, Boeing 440.
40 Boeing Everett, go ahead.
7 on board. We're going to be towing in about 5 minutes and to the north gate. And start thereafter.
And Roger, copy that. And we don't have a copy of our flight plan. Can you tell me about how long you're planning on being out?
It'll be 7 hours for Boeing 440.
And Roger that, 7 hours and Roger that.
Boeing Everett 807, we're about 10 minutes out for one approach and back to Boeing
07 Boeing Everett, Roger.
Boeing Everett, Boeing 124 Heavy. We're RTB, be on ground in 10 minutes.
4 Boeing Everett, Roger.
Patrick.
25.
One of your runs to the 4004 with those jacks. There's a tail jack there at the 4004, number 819. It's going back to the 24.
Do you know what plane?
Not sure which one they're working on. This one, it's got a number on it, 819. It's going to be sitting right there at the north end of the 804, setting out there for you.
Okay, I'll look around for 819.
If it's going back to the 24, it's going to be an 87.
So, Station 1, they want it on just the 24 apron?
They want it to J3 center.
10-4.